Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? So guys, today's video is I'm going to show you guys how I make my face scrub, which I use on my face 2 times a week, morning or evening. Okay, the first thing I added is I added 3 tablespoons of sugar. I added my lime orange, which the one I extract, you can see for the beginning of the video. Then I added my onion, which is bio onion, which the one that I'm using. You can use any onion of your choice. Then after that, you can add your vitamin C oil. Then this is good coconut oil. I added coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil as well. So now this is where the work started. If you can see my video of before and after, this was how I battled with pimples a lot on my face. Okay, so if you know me before, you know that I have a lot of pimples, dark spots, sunburn. This thing does not started here. It started when I was in Africa. Okay, it started I think like 15 years when I was growing, like 15 years. And I've tried a lot of means, a lot of ways to clear it off, but it's not clearing, so before I started this my content creating YouTube, I started creating content and I started searching, looking for how to clear off my pimples, dark spots, and a lot. So these things that I'm doing on my channel now really helps me a lot. Okay, and I have a product, I have acne set that I'm using. After scrubbing my face, this product that I'm using on my channel, I'm doing on my channel, is just to help me. Like I don't still buy them again. You understand what I'm trying to say? I don't buy face scrub, I don't buy all those things that I can do myself. I don't buy them again, which if you don't know how to do it, you are going to be buying them. But if you know how to do it, you can't buy them again. So this face scrub is what I use twice a week, and after using my face scrub, I leave it for just 1 minute. If you are using orange lime orange face scrub, lemon face scrub, you have to leave it for just 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, you can wash it off. Then you can see I was just telling you guys that this is my face before and after. That this journey was not easy. Okay, it was a very terrible journey, but you can see my face is improving. Okay, then after washing your face off, the next thing you have to do is leave your face to a dry, or you can use your hand fan. Things that people think that are not working, they are the one really working for me. So normally that was how I was saying before, seeing people using hand fan to breeze their face, or don't clean your face with hand towel, leave your face to a dry. I was just thinking this thing not they work, until I started it and it's really good. Trust me. Okay, don't use face towel to clean your face again if you have pimples. So if you have pimples on your face, leave your face to a dry. After taking your bath or washing your face, just go, before you walk out from here to here, your face is already dry, or you can use your towel. Then after that, I just use my face cleanser to wipe my face. Okay, then I wipe this face 2 times. I wipe it 2 times just because of the scrub I use, you understand? So after wiping your face with face cleanser, after wiping my face with face cleanser, I said it before, then just still breeze your face again with your hand fan your face and leave it to dry. Then after that, here comes in my acne treatment. Okay, the first thing I did was this acne treatment is called leave-on gel, in case if you want to get it. But this one is just for people that have pimples on their face and people that have oily skin. Okay, because I have a lot of oil on my face and skin, so this one is called leave-on gel, in case if you want to buy. And if you don't know it, you can still send me a message, I will screenshot it for you. Then after that, I use my vitamin C scrub. Trust me guys, vitamin C scrub is what you use first before using this your normal leave-on gel. But as I was talking, I forgot to use it first before I use my leave-on gel. Okay, so make sure anything you want to use your vitamin C first before you use anything. Then after that, I use my smoothie cream. Smoothie cream is good to help you to smooth your face as you are treating your face, recovery from pimples, dark spots, sunburn. You need smoothie cream that will smooth your face as they are healing from all these sunburn, dark spots. You need smoothie cream that will be smoothing your face for you. Okay, so these are what I use in the morning, and my evening acne set is different from morning acne set. If you really want to clear your acne, your dark spot, you have to spend money. These things that you are seeing now is a lot of money. They are really expensive. Okay, they are really expensive. Only one product self is expensive. I think I have 7 of it, morning and night, different products, morning and night. That is what really helped me on my journey. As you can see, my face before and after, my face is really cleared, and I'm so happy for that. If you want to know more about my evening product as well, you can just leave a comment. I will make a video of it, and it's really good for people that have pimples, acne set and all that. Okay, then after that, I use my sunburn. This is all for money today. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. I love you guys. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are watching from Facebook, please subscribe. Bye.